But as a mommy feels, as a moja me feels one kasayi, you are one of our own, and you need to check the way you attack men of God. Men of God have prayed for you. Men of God have prayed for you. When you lost your mother, men of God came to the funeral. Don't make more enemies. It's better to make more friends. Make friends, good friends. Surround yourself with a lot of good friends than to make more enemies to yourself. Mami fa kwanya isu so na me nua Asamoah Nkasa.
Okay.
I want to talk to brother Asamoah. You are one of our own. Brother Asamoah. You see I'm calling him brother.
Yeah.
It's a respect I'm giving to him. Because he has served this great nation.
Through football.
Through football. Enti obetna social media. Obi a Ghana for respect to say. And say we are against religion. Okay? Because Ghana has produced you as a great footballer. And you Ghana na mo aye ne oye. Sika we ko to dan $3 million. Unye sika no wan. Through your career. Through your career. When I know the bobo ne ma nya sika. It be ko to dan $3 million. Say about fear would display wealth. Kasa I would do what we are saying na obi. Obi an ko ka ho asem. Den na ko kasa mo obi an kwa sorry. Memfa usika ma osofo mfa ntoka ntenemu. Na sabi obi di ni sika ma osofo etoka ntenemu a eye bone ana. Anya bone. Enkrofo de musika ma akonfo. E di toka ntenemu. It's not a sin. And nobody is condemning that. The whole world, all the richest people, no, omusika no, average poor people, and they contribute to some success. Ade, Papa Kwame Desperate. Nisika unyi ni say here for average poor people. Omoto mo drinks in the friends say special eyes. This way. All way. Need fufu. Social test. Oh, here also here no. Oko when you want to see the ana to see another akoto. No, I want you to be to the success of the company. And we are there. Obia contributed to Obia success. Maybe quite here. Even say nyama busu ani amebo nsa. Unkonko jina say. Ade na wodi usika koma a year for no omukodi ase no. Brother Asamoah me feels one kasayi. You are one of our own, and you need to check the way you attack men of God. Men of God have prayed for you. Men of God have prayed for you. When you lost your mother, men of God came to the funeral. Don't make more enemies. It's better to make more friends. Make friends, good friends. Surround yourself with a lot of good friends than to make more enemies to yourself. You are still young. So, and the master say, men found whom bobo and crophobia, or we are against men of God. Obia did you in the Juman? Me, don't expect me to pastor a church for 30 years of my life. Na me for chance in real few message.
Never.
It will not work like that. It will be power show. Any more young men are Moses Wanwa. More attacking, sorry. Obi beye Christonia, unyami funny free as you know the not canasa form, which is the family of God. Untumine Christonu abra unqa sorry. Not just a wood that cry. So, yeah, sorry, one nipa bebre organa. Do you know that the development of this country, churches have contributed massively about the development of this country more than any other religion.
Yeah.
Methodist University.
Yeah.
Pentecost University.
Yeah.
I'm waiting to see Akonfo University. What I say? Even Muslims.
Yeah.
The Muslims to have contributed massively.
Yeah. Roman
Catholic.
Yeah.
Most of all of you went to Christian school.
Yeah.
Central University. And why do you attack the church? Why do you attack men of God? Are you ignorant? Don't be ignorant, because ignorant can be expensive.
Yeah. And it's not an excuse.
And it's not an excuse. Sometimes we are mistaken. You have to come and correct your errors. And it will take you time. So, Brother Samojai, you don't have a right to attack men of God. Who's who are resign and now retire? Go and look for young people and coach them. Produce according to your kind. Okay? You are not a pastor. So you don't have a right to be attacking pastors. The best you can do for yourself. Odate Lamte Ibi. Brother Odate Lamte. We're building school. Academy school. I will raise the generation of mobile ball.
Yeah, God not Trump to also.
Yes. So why don't you go and raise as a skillful man as you are? Why don't you go and build these children, give them future, instead of attacking men of God, attacking their success and attacking their ministry? Do you know the years that has taken us? Maybe starting pastor at Solomon. I've pastored for 35 years. To 35 years, every age. So you can't be attacking men of God. Papa Duncan Williams has pastored more than 45 years of his life. Papa Otabel. These are men who have added, shaped men, raised men. So some of them were armed robbers when they came to church. Armed robbers. A confo nyame de nsa ka won eno ma be nyame nkrofo a omo nso so etwe akra. Ade no obi asori a no ato nani asi Ghana sofo so. Why? Only common person there to media sofo atem. Say yanhwe ya emwaye. When you attack men of God, you expect them to put their hands in their back and watch you. It's not going to happen. Okay, can be trying. You better retaliate. You better barbe kick and Western. Yeah, your small boys are, and they have sharp teeth. We have babies with sharp teeth. Okay, maybe what time maybe I can say for. We will not put our hands in our back for you to come and destroy our work. Obie didi wa na dwuma mu to sabi ofa motiti na se mo interview mi wie na mi yiska de mawa eye bone
Anya bone papa.
Adwuma wo ye se wo si da wo mu a eye kro no. No. And you want to me attacking men of God. And brother Samojan, with all due respect us. Because some of us are older than you, even older than your career.
Yeah.
We are born in millions. But what the other say your chance in Baufi.
Still Kavana Opibia come because Kakotoko 4 friend was on Kanisa.
You see, Anya will be no. You see, and Timu Amo say, man, form some religion more fighting against pastors. No, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time because years to time for fighting church now they couldn't break the church. Now Caesar no, Babylon, Nebuchadnezzar, and then no money, they couldn't break through. So I beg you, when you suffer who you here, who you wedding or suffer the baby shower wedding. So if you cry, won't pass or cry, yeah, for suffer. I will say a friend who say, "Mama, who says in front of the funeral home for you." They have a pastor there. When see I saw them that, but last moment, Papa J, the last moment, I know so for na ekoshia ko here na sorry. Into obie here so for obie here sorry. You can't condemn the church. You can't condemn even if there's some people are doing the wrong thing. Don't combine all the pastors. So say we are no say osophobia. Na so obi ni sika ebreme na me de toka na ayere nti brother Samoja, we want to encourage you. You are one of our own. We love you, we respect you, but don't go too far. Nti and also aya bibia mesre brother Samoja say nyabotrema asofo no we ye nua we ye damfo we ye bibia ye no one tikuma. So, maybe two says, yeah, you move your intimate that. We'll pray and pray and pray for you. So you don't attack the church because the church is bigger than you. The church is bigger than you. Jesus built the church over 2,000 years ago. Mesowa, and also another thing. So we'll be people some of you.
Okay, for now, I think I'm done with you. So you said you're okay. Papa, you're okay now. So, Pacho, who will be the man? Okay, Papa. And the can you want us out the
Yo.
put to name. Insurance and my.
Yo. Madam, I say, I said to Ghana for enough. Say, baby, this is not a normal times. This time, no, and your normal times are. You didn't know dear grow. What on a day or crown? We look smart now. They are share for what we are saying. Who drive on for? Now we do no smart at all about what we are saying. The government in a case you are not helping. You are not helpful. Me pesa me fasa ekwanya iso etu Ghana for nyinafo. Say you follow. And yet it's not difficult to follow these things. It's not difficult. Say if you follow these protocols. The mesra Ghana for mo hwe nyina say. Mo me nyina yemwa government no. Yemwa president no. Na na dwuma enye so easier emfama no. Na ye nyina no yenya nkwa na yentena se. Yenya nkwa na yentena se. So let's follow the protocols. Let's wash our hands, sanitize your hands, and then social distance, you know. You follow, be conscious of yourself. Because the arena ewo ho. Say, ya follow, na government in the lockdown, no bar. And and it shouldn't come to that level. So what I say, now if yenye ejuma den na yemwa one another. Uko America, and the whole world. Foreigners no, ewu skakra sen timamufo no. Uko America, Indians, ewu skapa Indians, Chinese, omu ska. Almost every country, omu Chinatown. Krobia, last time I catch on. Rolex watch. It started from $5,000 to $100,000. Uko Chinatown, between maybe $10.
Hey.
Versace bag, 20,000, maybe even $5. You do mugu container one, near be you or more port. Adi abetino, no ye juma or Chinatown. No the green card. Ghana for ebe support muni anumsa. Ukra Ghana ni no bo anokra no abese you ama. Am we lose job. So, enti amade bia no na ye ho kire Ghana for ho kire omo, abi before ho kire omo. A lot of us take it together more than Ghanaians. And the time has come for us to live together as brothers and sisters in this country. So, enti yenye jumaden yemwa ya Ghana for na yemko yenim. Na oman no eni yem prosper out of the prosperity no yentumi ntra oman no develop oman no quick and rapid development. Enti be a Ghanaian first. Be a Ghanaian first. Put Ghana first. Put Ghana first before any other thing. Trump Obama say American first. Any man win election, America first. So you're Ghanaian. Put Ghana first before even any political party. Nyame shra. Onhwe also. Sabre ya corona bay. Ewade nyi free sa yare boni mu. Me bom pa ye ma woni wobusua. Me bom pa ye ma omampanyin. Me bom pa ye ma other political party leaders. Me bom pa ye ma businessmen. Me bom pa ye ma banks. Me bom pa ye ma obi biara wo Ghana ha. Se Ewurade nhwe wo so. Ewurade protect you. Ewurade nhwe wo ni ofie fo so. Na Ewurade mani ensi wiye. Ewo yesterday mo. You are blessed beyond measure. Amen.
Amen.
Tiafo amuni aba Mexico ni ye ni mo bepie mu wo Archbishop Salifo Amoako na so eya ye ni betwetwen nkomo efa eya enyoma bebre ekoso wo Ghana na dodo na ehia adwenkyere na tiafo mesusu se adwenkyere ekoso yi onso wafa wodie wo mosun ade wo na afen so nyansan dodo na ewo mu no so wasa afa wodie wo aha ye too much GH ye de ennepa chese ye wonyoma too much edima kwaso nefa weni edi echi update bia nso aye papa yi ebeto yensa afre ye de beba abesom.